GDSC जब सर्च करते हैं हाउ टू बी ए GDSC लीड, जिनका पहला वीडियो रिकमेंडेशंस में आता है, तो आप इनसे मिलिए, हर्ष गोयल भैया. इज इट राइट?
Yes, truly right.
आप GDSC लीड थे, and in your tenure, like आपने you took efforts to introduce GDSC to entire India and motivated leads and aspirants like me जो GDSC के interview they prepare for the interview and they get aware about their roles and then they get selected. So here's my first question. I will be asking just 5 questions. That's it. So my first question is कि why one should be a GDSC lead? Why should they run in the race of being a GDSC lead?
So see, GDSC lead might sound as a fancy title, but it is not. It comes with a lot of pains and troubles that only GDSC leads can understand. But that gives you an opportunity to first of all improve upon your leadership skills. That is one. Along with that, you build that culture in your college, culture of development, culture of coding. That is very necessary, and your entire juniors will be benefited from you. Like once you pass out, the same tradition, the same league will be carried forward by your junior batches. So you can play a very important role in changing the history of your placements of college, as well as more students getting into open source, more students getting into development. So it's kind of a win-win for both students as well as the colleges and the GDSC lead himself. He also gets visibility. He or she also gets more number of appreciation. Along with that, he develops that presentation skills. Like I being a GDSC lead, I got that confidence that I can come here and speak in front of 500,000 people at once. That's just because of I have been volunteering in those events at my time.
Yeah. Second question, what do you think a GDSC lead quality should be possessing in order to get selected?
It's not that you should be very they don't want somebody who is very technical. That is also not a requirement कि तुम्हें बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे से you should be a very good developer. That's one trait. You should be developing on either of the technologies, but along with that you should have that guts to handle this much of crowd. You should have those skills of leadership. You should maintain a team, how to lead a team. So all these skills are required. Your communication skills, your presentation skills, and even if you don't feel that you are confident in these skills, I would say you go and try. There are very high chances that you get selected, and after that you can improve upon those skills if you don't have it right now.
Third question, अगर हमको skills improve करनी है, तो what should we consider as a resource?
Skills improve करने के लिए it is more of taking more opportunities. Whenever in your college you get an opportunity to come up and speak, whether it's in your class, whether it's in some event, whether you are anchoring on stage, so go and take that opportunity. It will build your confidence. That is what is required for GDSC.
Fourth question, for the GDSC leads, what does it take to make our GDSC famous and what do we say vibing in our campus?
So it's the responsibility of a GDSC leads to drive various initiatives from the point of view of introducing development, having more events, having that visibility. There is solution challenge that every year Google developers conducts. So make sure that your college not only conducts these events but participates more in these solution challenges or these kind of events and represent your college at an international level. During my time, if I talk about, so in my GDSC there was from India there was only one project that got shortlisted. That was from NIT Jalandhar's GDSC. So that culture you need to inculcate ki it's not only about events, it's more of how you can inculcate the culture of development, how can students build more projects, build those awesome projects. So that is something that a GDSC lead should take a lead in.
Okay, and speaking about the personal career of a GDSC lead, what do you think they should opt for Google or they should be, DSA or CP centric?
It's not about it depends upon GDSC lead's personal choice, but I would say being a GDSC lead would definitely give you an edge in many areas. You will be able to present yourself better in front of the interviewer. That's something that is very important. You will be able to present yourself in a presentation when you are giving in a company. So these kind of skills are inculcated through these communities. So make sure you be a part of these communities and help everyone. It is said that the things you give, you get 100x in return. So if you are giving to community, definitely there are good chances that you will